Hey guys, welcome to today's video, which is an Outlier AI honest review. As you can see, we're on the Reddit and we're going to be reading other people's reviews to check if this thing is legit or not. This person says he's worked there for 5 weeks and has not been paid. And then they submitted a ticket. They said that you'll be paid next week, but they did not. As you can see, this person said that he worked on the task but then told that he hadn't passed the assessment and then he could retake it, but he did get the feedback and get paid for the few hours but never received the $250. As you can see, it's legit but poorly run, and by the time you understand what it is that they want, they'll remove you from the project. So forward from Reddit, we do not find anything good. As you can see, it has a 2.1 star on Indeed.com, which is like very bad. Pros, one person put none. Cons, everything. I think that says everything. Terrible payment, waste of time. They don't pay when they promise, and yeah, that honestly sucks. And if you're on the Trustpilot, it has a 2.2, which is like very poor. As you can see, majority is 66%, 1 star. They tried applying but it didn't work. Let's check out the 1-star reviews to see what it says. Don't work with this company, it's a scam. And then as you can see, errors, not hired. They did all the training but then still didn't get anything, things like that. So yeah, just don't go for this. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.